Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of IPTV. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, revolutionizing how we consume media. In India, the IPTV market is booming, presenting a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs. First, let's explore the legal requirements you must fulfill to start your business. Obtaining the necessary licenses from broadcasting authorities is crucial for compliance. Next, focus on the technical infrastructure needed to operate an IPTV service successfully. You'll need reliable servers and software that can handle streaming efficiently. Content is king. Curating appealing content is essential for attracting viewers. Identify popular genres in India and create packages that cater to diverse audiences. Now let's talk about marketing strategies to promote your IPTV service effectively. Utilize social media platforms to create awareness and reach potential customers. Offering free trials or discounts for new users can help capture attention quickly. Customer service is vital for retention and building long-term relationships. Always address customer queries promptly to create a positive experience. As we wrap up, remember that passion and dedication fuel success in your venture. Don't forget to check out our sponsor, www.2tv.store, for credible IPTV solutions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips on building successful businesses.